Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. This is also for my haul from Grayland Station in Chicago. This is a model that I've wanted for quite some time now since I saw it on the Gemini Jets website. This is of course the Lufthansa A350-900. So I saw this plane a couple times in Chicago when I was spotting there. I didn't see this exact plane, but I saw ones that were similar, and I also saw one in the new livery, which was really cool. So I hope Gemini comes out with one in the new livery in the near future, because I will definitely pick that up. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this one right here. So of course on the front we have Gemini 200, and there's the plane right there. It says Lufthansa Airbus A350-900. The registration is Delta Alpha India X-Ray Alpha, and on the bottom it says 1 to 200 scale. On the side, pretty much the same thing, and on the back, this was a 2017 release, and this is of course a Lufthansa officially licensed product. Let's go ahead and get into this and see what she looks like. Super excited for this. Okay. Wow. That looks really nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the stand out. It's just a nice basic wooden stand. Always nice. And right here is the landing gear. Pretty cool. And now the plane itself. Let's go ahead and get her out here. Oh man, this is nice. Wow, look at this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and set her on the stand really quick while we get out the landing gear. And here's the landing gear. Let's go ahead and get this out. First one. And then finally the nose gear. Alright, there we go. Wow, this looks really nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details. Alright, so up at the front we have the cockpit windows and the sort of raccoon mask that the A350 has, which is the black around the cockpit windows. I actually really like that. I think it gives the plane a really nice look. To the right of that you can see we have the Star Alliance logo. And then under the cockpit windows we have the Lufthansa logo. Pitot tubes up front, and then we have the front gear, front door, and it says Airbus A350-900 right under the first few windows, and then of course the Lufthansa titles. Up on the top we have the red antenna, also on the bottom as well, right under it. And then the two rotating beacon lights, the engines, which have really nice detail. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fan blades inside. There you go. And then of course the wings have really nice detail as well. On the wingtips you can see it has the Lufthansa logo. And then moving back we have the third door, more of the antennas, there's the Wi-Fi box, and then the registration, the rear door, and then of course the iconic Lufthansa tail. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom here, which is just a plain gray belly, and then of course it says Gemini Jets right there. There's the main gear and the front gear. Wow, this is an incredible looking model. I'm super happy with this. This is going to go awesome next to my other A350s in the collection. Currently I have this one, the two Delta 1 to 400s, my Skymarks 1 to 200 Delta A350, my Qatar Launch Customer Livery by JC Wings, and then my Qatar Bare Metal A350 1000 by JC Wings. So I've got quite a few A350s in the collection, and this one's certainly going to be a great addition. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, and I will see you later.